Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about selectors in HTML CSS. There are four types of selectors. First, universal selector. Universal selector is denoted by star. It contains all the content in HTML if the content has not given any CSS properties separately. Example, we have to make h1 tag hello world, and we have to make another h2 tag hello world. So universal selector is denoted by star. So star and color red. So universal selector applies both of the heading tag because both of the heading tag has not any CSS property separately. Let's go to our code. See, both of the headings are red because they don't have any CSS property. If I give the it property style, color, black, if I give it separately a CSS property, so it preferred to change the color. Let's see, h2 style and blue, color blue. Second is type selector. Type selector is denoted by the actual name of any tag. Example, in type selector we have to denote type with actual name of tag. So h1 color, I will give it orange. Let's see what happens. And h2 tag, pink, color pink. The third one is class selector. Class selector is denoted by dot. We have to put dot before typing the class name of any tag. Example, in the class selector we have to give class in opening tag. So I will give it class heading 1, heading heading 1. We have to use class for dot class sorry, we have to use class name. We have to use dot before typing the class name. Heading 1, color brown, background color red. I will give it heading 2, dot heading 2, color blue, background color red. Change the background color black. Save it. Fourth one is ID selector. ID selector is denoted by hash. We have to put hash before typing the ID name of any tag. Example. Selector. ID selector is used commonly for the JavaScript, but it works in CSS also. So ID heading, it is similar to class selector. ID heading 2, heading 1. We have to denote we have to denote ID from hash. Heading 1, color black, background color red. Heading sorry hash heading 2, color red, background color black. So ID selector is commonly used in JavaScript, but it also works in CSS also. So if you like the video, do subscribe my YouTube channel and